Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to capture audio now. First, open Voice Memos and grant microphone permission so recordings save properly. Tap the red record button to start. Speak at a steady distance, about 6 to 12 inches, to avoid clipping. If you need cleaner sound, plug an external mic and point it toward the subject. Once recording, watch the waveform for peaks and adjust volume. When you stop, the app autosaves with a timestamp so you won't lose the file. Once done recording, tap the clip to edit. Use trim to remove unwanted sections. Select, drag handles, and save. For precise fixes, choose Replace to overdub or Split to isolate parts. Rename the file for quick searching and move it into a folder to keep sessions organized. Folders sort by date or custom title. Make use of Enhance Recording to reduce background noise and normalize volume. Play back the edited clip to confirm levels before sharing or exporting. To finish, export or share your memo. Tap the share icon and pick Messages, Mail, AirDrop, or Save to files where you can upload to cloud. Enable iCloud Sync in settings to back up recordings automatically across devices. If playback or recording fails, first check microphone permissions and the mute switch, then force quit the app and restart your iPhone. If problems persist, test with another app or an external mic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.